In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to manage your finances more efficiently, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, head over to QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account, sign up to access their services. For those of you who already have an account, you'll want to click on Sign In to get started. Enter your account information and click Continue. Once prompted, provide your password, then click Continue again to proceed. You'll now be asked to choose the company file you wish to work with. Make your selection to proceed to the next step. With your company file open, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find various tools and features to explore. But for our purposes, click on Accounting. From this menu, select Bank Transactions. This is where you'll handle all your transaction categorization. Once you're on the Bank Transactions page, choose the specific bank or credit card account you want to work with. You'll find tabs atop the page representing different accounts. Simply click the one you need. The transactions downloaded from your bank feed will be displayed here. It's time to categorize these transactions, a crucial step in maintaining clear and organized finances. For each transaction, you'll select an appropriate category, such as rent, utilities, office supplies, or sales. Also, assign a vendor or customer name under Payee. For those who need to track transactions by class or location, there's an option to add this info as well. If needed, you can include notes in the memo or description fields to provide additional context. QuickBooks has a handy feature to assist with transaction management. When it detects a potential match for invoices, bills, or expenses, it will prompt you. Instead of adding a new transaction, click Match to link it with an existing record. This saves time and ensures everything is kept tidy. For frequent transactions, consider using rules to automate categorization in the future. Under Manage Rules, create a new rule for these recurring entries. This way, QuickBooks automatically categorizes them the next time they appear. Sometimes a single bank transaction may span multiple categories. In such cases, use the Split option to allocate amounts accordingly. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Add to record the transaction in QuickBooks Online. After categorizing, review your transactions by opening the account register from the chart of accounts. Here you can verify categorized transactions and make any final edits if necessary. Finally, it's a good habit to reconcile your bank account monthly. This ensures your records in QuickBooks match your bank statements, helping you maintain accurate financial records. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-categorized and organized financial record in QuickBooks Online, making your financial management smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.